Barbecue fam, 1 pound canisters for camping or any other thing that you need these for is a ripoff. Check this out to save you a ton of money. These at the local Walmart, 10 bucks for 2, or they're about 6 bucks a piece. 1 pound, 6 bucks. 20 pounds, 18 bucks. Come on now, do the math, way off. This guy from Patiogem on Amazon, check it out. Refill these guys easily for way less money. So to refill these is pretty easy. Got your tank, 20 pound propane tank, 18 bucks. This is just ridiculous. 3 of these cost what that is. 3 pounds, 20 pounds, come on. So we want to refill these guys. You can recycle them too if you want, but if you're going camping or whatever, you need it for your griddle or for a fire starter. Like I use torches, and this is easy. With this Patiogem attachment, you're gonna hook it up. It's got your standard propane attachment. So we're gonna plug that guy in, just like off a gas grill, a griddle, same attachment. Get that on nice and tight. Close the ball valve. Make sure it's in the closed position. Open is in line with it. Closed is the opposite. Easy. And you want to take your tank, flip it upside down. Ball valve's off. Propane tank is off. Kick it on to make sure there's no leaks. Get some gloves on, just in case there's a leak. You want some gloves. You can burn yourself with propane, so be careful. Tank is open, it's not leaking because of the ball valve. Now you want to bleed this line. Here you go. Aim it away from yourself and slowly open it. Yeah. Woo. This guy's cold, this guy's warm. And you want to just open her up. Now it won't overfill and explode on you. So I am propane certified as well. So you want to give this, just slowly open it, and she'll start to fill. So you can hear the propane filling. It's a little slower. This might be a little too cold. Propane travels slow when it's cold, and you can feel it in the line. But she's filling. 80% capacity is what they recommend. Let's just shut it down and give it a test. Turn the propane tank off. Rock and roll. Save yourself a bunch of money. That'll light a fire. Oh, hell yeah.